Fire saw. Two side, but only one side you can use. Make this sharp, okay? Next is how to collect sheathing or tinder.
Tinder.
Tinder, okay? First, strip the outer bark. Use the outer bark. Turn powder. Then collect the inner bark, eh? This is tinder or kusot in Tagalog.
Gulong-garong. Okay.
Tinder, sheathing, or kusot. Next is flame catcher. This one. Okay. This is kindlings or a feeder stick to catch flame to a large fire. Okay, what we have here this sheathing holder, huh? Break at the middle. And this pointed stick, this is ember breaker. And what we have here this plus pan. These are going to rub back and forth. So this is used, but we can reuse this. So what we'll do, okay, reduce the thickness of the bamboo like this. Okay, after reducing the thickness of the bamboo, drill a tiny hole like this, or a small hole. Then once you fill the tip your nap at the back, see this? Okay, put a guiding nut here, guiding nut. Okay, the purpose of this, when you rub at the fire, so will not go any direction, only one direction. Okay, in making fire, we have 6 parts. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts. Okay, the sheathing is rough. Roll to the palm, roll like this. Roll to the palm to make it fine or smooth. And to remove the powder. Okay, then divide this into 2. Make it balls of sheathing. Here. The tiny hole on the plus one, in between of these 2 balls of sheathing, here, see the tiny hole, okay, small hole, so here, in between the tiny hole, there. Then put over the sheathing holder, so while unwrapping, the sheathing will not loose.
Ano ko naman?
First slide, slide. Like this. See the purpose of this when you rub here. Okay. Okay, first rub slowly. Slowly, Chan-chani. Chanchani. Chanchani. Slowly. Slowly. Chanchani. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan ng Tagalog. Okay? Right. Slowly.
God, I smell it.
Okay, then once you see the smoke coming out, increase your speed to create more friction. Okay? Pali-pali.
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 May usok
Faster.
na.
Faster. Bilis-bilisan. Bilis-bilisan. Korean, pali-pali. Pali-pali. Faster. Bilis-bilisan. Halo-halo na yun, ha?
In botolan. Botolan.
Yun na po, bilis-bilisan po.
In the ring.
Apurahin. Okay, then,
Wow.
Blow.
of the hole, then blow. Okay, take off this, then hold the sheathing, turn upside down. Okay, and put it back here, blow slowly, and don't put some saliva on this.
Galing ah! Galing ah! Wow! Stig!
Another souvenir.
Like your cigarette.
Yeah!
Okay, to prove this a real fire.
Baka fake, baka fake.
Okay, so genuine, huh? Okay. Then put this on in the ground.
And then,
Okay, then you can add some
Dried.
dry leaves, dry woods to make your bonfire big, so you can cook your own food. So in making
Galing.
fire, if you miss, you cannot choose the same spot or the same hole. You have to make another here. You see? Also here. Okay. Resharpen this. Resharpen.
Sharpen.
Ah, galing.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Do you have any questions, sir, ma'am, about the green bamboo and water or this dry bamboo? No question.